One mama don't cry out about the kind things where they sell inside pharmacy now. Claiming say she entered this shop, say make she go buy vitamin C syrup for her baby. Before she go see, she realize say na methylated spirits and they put inside this baby thing. Now wow, now so Nigeria don't turn into. For my people who never watch this one, make na follow me see.
Good morning, mother. I went to save more at pharmacy, so I went there to buy Citramin for my baby. Guess what? I saw spirits inside sealed supposed Citramin. Okay, let's assume I did not open, or because before I give my child medicines, I usually taste it first. Let's assume I did not perceive the smell of these spirits because it was very close to me. This is how I would have given my daughter supposed Citramin. If good. Please, if you buy medicines, please be careful. I'm just crying because I know what people would have said. That they're not going to believe, say, now waiting mistake, I mistakenly give them, they go talk another thing, join. Mothers, please, for every medicine you are buying, please be careful. Open it.
This is how a baby vitamin C syrup is. Just look out.
Do I offend?
Look out. This is very bad.
We'll still show you people when this thing dry up. So it not look as if we are chasing it. We'll still show you people how I got.
Thank God I'm here. I'm in her house. This one is not she's lying or anything. I'm in her house. Just look out.
Oh yeah, you push it, see oh. See oh. See, it's vanishing like the same way. It's vanishing. See, it's wiping off. Something like a syrup that is supposed to walk around. See, please, you should be careful. You should be careful. You should be careful. You should be careful. Citramin, supposed Citramin. You should be careful. Spirits inside.
Wonders shall never end. I beg, if say this woman can't carry this thing and give her baby, the baby can't die. I beg, how she won't even explain to her husband? I beg to the family say, she don't even know what's in there inside this thing. If not be God, just help her. Say, make she even try smell a bit, test what's in there inside this thing. Now I saw this pikin for just die like that. And instead of you crying, madam, I don't see why they cry for here. Because nothing will we go feed do for you. Instead of you to carry this thing now, go report them to police. Say, see what's in this pharmacy they sell. You there they cry. At least by now you gonna say they don't arrest this quack shop. Because you don't know how many number of people go to even die. Just because they go this place, go they buy things. And our NGLA people are not that one, I no go see this kind of one. Unnecessary things now I go they go on top saying that one I won't go arrest. But people where they truly do the illegal jobs, now no go see them. And most drug sellers inside Nigeria make me never most of them never they certified. You go see say aboki where they shine shoe. Where be say na something they do if you just wake up one day, changing hustle, talk saying want on to drug seller. He go carry medicine begins and people go they patronize him. And this kind of person no be saying get shop, he no even get any certificate. So how come this kind of people still there where they sell markets? Now that can end it. Now all these kind of people on our eyes supposed to focus on. So that when they do all this kind of thing, on go come out them from street, make we know who be the real pharmacists and the people will be fake. Because as all of them plenty, now why people don't even know who believe. But I beg parents make na day very careful about waiting on our children they take, because now where we say they don't even add medicine to 1,000 ways to die, you never know what you won't do again. Because it be like this Nigeria now, everybody just won't keep person. Then they look for means to eradicate people come out from the town. Because I don't want to see why a baby syrup. Sometimes we say pikin supposed drink. And I can't come out the thing inside, put another thing. I beg no be wickedness. I don't know why some people they reason like this, but I beg if like say soon. If you dare register, make you write a bold and bid for your office front. Say I am registered. Make we know people episode will they patronize you. Because some way they don't do now. I don't understand this Nigeria again. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Soon I go on a short break, but before then, make now stay tuned for our next story. Inside California, I hear say 1 billion van just burst. If you not see free money inside public, everybody just gather. For those of now who know nothing the billion van. Or now know that motor be say they use take carry money for bank. Yes, now that one I will they talk about. I don't know how manage this thing open, but if you not see money, it even shock myself say Oyinbo ton Bambiala, they begin bend down, they pick money for street. For my people who never see that one, they can follow me watch.
This is the most insane thing I've ever drop money all over the freeway. San Diego has shut down. Literally, it has shut down. Look at the freeway right now. Oh my gosh. Literally everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally insane. This is insane. Oh my gosh.
Then we gonna sizzle that, baby.
The heck? Yo, the entire freeway just shut down because they threw money. He's gone.
Wow.
He's gone, bro. The freeway is empty. Literally, the freeway is empty. There's cash all over the ground. Literally, look, we're the only people on the entire highway. Literally, this is insane.
Hey! Oyinbo on herself know this kind of thing like this. I'm surprised say that these people park their motor for one side. All of them even take pause. Begin go they pick waiting their own fit pick. But since when I don't dey inside this Nigeria, why something like this no dey happen? Even 15 naira never fly for once out of this car say make person even pick up. But make una see the kind money wey fall for here. If say this one happen for Nigeria, I trust my people. Broom and packer go don full, everybody go turn lawman. We go begin sweep this money so take no we know ourselves now, we know the door. This one wey be say country hard like this kind money go come for. Person go come say no go pick. I even surprised say some of the university they do video. I beg go take the video. It be like say you no get problem for your life. Now why you decide say you no go pick all this thing? And I hear say for the first time traffic happen. I know why. Because these people realize that this money it go help their generation. All of them go park their motor, pick what your destiny if you pick. All of them go there, go they pick their own. But yes, after picking this thing, I can't say FBI now come outside. They talk say people will be say their face show inside the video. They go arrest them for stealing government money. I don't understand. With government money, now we say make the motor bust. I mean, them advise the motor say make the motor knows I be locked way. I beg this one are showers of blessing from heaven. I no see why now when they arrest innocent people. Well, we say no, them break the one motor first, and secondly, all of us know all this bullion van in a move with security. Why are the thing for? Why be say the security no carry themselves go pick the money? Because I no need them. Now one I live and people wey need them now they don't pack them. But God of California, we dey beg, I beg do this kind one instant. We not go disappoint you. We promise you. We go make sure say we sweep everywhere clean and neat. 159 you no go see for road. We just hope say this kind one it go happen for Nigeria. But anyways, my people, now this one now here. Now see make I bring them come. Make me stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say Baba Fryo don't call out Davido. Say why he go give out all in cash when he collect from his donation. I know say most of una go even forget who be this Daddy Fryo. I been a Baba Fryo waiting call himself. But now remember this music, they go they pose, they go they deg. Hey, now that man I sing that one, that old musician, that celebrity for those days. Now this man now come outside they talk saying after we Davido don't boo Bambiala finish. Now he can decide say he won't dash out the money in which he be celeb, he need money. Davido no give him money. People will be say they no need that. He can carry the money they give him. But before I continue, you can follow me watch.
I get things when they see for social media. They give 200 million to orphanage and then 50 million make everything 250 million to orphanage. To me, the thing they did funny to me. I remember when I did depressed, they tagged many of my colleagues. They tagged Davido, they tagged Two-Face, they tagged other people. But none of them respond. Now people will never see me for this live, people will not know me. Now them respond. I can put up say yes, I see people like you and other people, Choki, all of them, at least they responded with them, they call me, they interview me. But this 200 million, when I they see, when I they hear, I they see for social media, it they surprise me. If person like me, where the popular person where they know, person like me where they know, nobody fit do anything. Now people orphanage where they don't know from anywhere now they give 250 million. It's so funny. Look, I go advise Nigerians and black people, make we wise up, make we stop all these things, make we stop them. Because see, Oyibo people know they do all these things, so they know they do them at all. All waiting with they do, they look so funny. Not be say I say make them give money to orphanage na bad thing o, because I don't be ambassador to an NGO. And this NGO, I know they collect 1 naira. But funny enough, when I get depressed, get that problem, the NGO self no respond. You see how black man sense be, you see how it be. Now I dey see 200 million, they post them everywhere. See Davido want to they give money to orphanage. They get 5-man committee to distribute that money. Everything sounds funny to me. To me, if I see people they do good, I appreciate them. Not because I say a bad thing, but I did want to ask people, say, person like me, where cry out, when people know where cry out, they not feel help the person where they know. Now people where they not know, where we not they see their face. Now then they help out with 250 million. What would they think? Shall we call that on wickedness? Or would they call that on ignorance? Make we open our eyes well.
Shoo. See me see problem. I beg na your money. Why be say you won't on the advice person on how you go spend the money? You claim say you dey depressed. You ask people for money, they no give you. Now other people, I beg, I think say depression, now counseling in it. Since when depression begin need donation? Why be say now you can't dey sick say may they give you money? I mean, I don't very certain say that time when you dey rain, you no even help anybody because you know na type. That time you rain, only you chop your money, put them for pocket. Now when this one don't even be sickness because I don't even add your own depression to sickness. Your own, now you know brokenness where they follow you. You can't twist them to depression. You can't ask say may they give you money. Say people will be say even give you the money. Say now people will not even know you. Say the Nollywood industry, be the music industry, they don't even help you with anything. They not go feel help you with anything because you claim say you dey popular. So money when you make, you suppose don't use and invest. I be you suppose even use and do something better. And this one will be say you carry all your generational anger, go they post them on top of the video. The time when they even trend, I sure say Davido na baby that time. Because when this music they even trend, everybody na small picking them. So I don't see why now. You dance if you never even help this boy then when in this smoke. Now when be say you suppose even come they help him now. Now you come they claim. Say the money no reach your pocket. I beg Mr. Man. This money thing no be by force. If he like, he give you. If he no like, he no go give you. If you know say you dey very desperate, say you dey depressed and you need money, oga make I give you advice. Just carry yourself, go register under orphanage. I hear say the money they go for orphanage people. So maybe if you dey there, you go enjoy from the benefits where this guy won't give to people. Because this one will be say you can't be very authoritative. What did they even vex me past now the entitlement? Say yeah, you will be say you need it. I beg you work, put inside in pocket. Where be say you can't come with all this kind of command. I know they understand all this kind of people. Your approach will even make sense at all. If people will even pity yourself, if they hear this one, they will even vex, beat you, join them. So I beg, rethink this your statement. Maybe you go do me one. Go apologize, beg and say, Mr. Davido, I beg, I need money. Maybe by then, we will listen to you. Now here, I go end up on this matter. Soon, I go to go on a short break. But before then, we can stay tuned for our next story.